Well, it's a long way from toasty, but it is dry. And unfortunately, I have no choice about getting out today because it's MOT day on the VTR. Another opportunity for it to be checked to make sure it's safe for another year. I do hope it is. It's only done 600 miles since the last MOT. So we're going to get that done now. We're then going to go out for a ride, regardless of how cold it is, because it's dry. Well, that was all good. Another pass for another year's riding, which is superb. Thanks to RJ Motorcycles and Rob for getting me in at very short notice. A couple of small advisories, and that's down to the fact the bike doesn't get used very much. Right, so we're on a road trip now. We're going to do some lovely roads, which I'm going to share with you, parts of anyway. So we're in deepest Somerset now, enjoying some lovely quiet roads. And we're at a place called Winford, which is actually quite close to Bristol Airport. But it's really peaceful and very pretty. I'm sure they love big loud motorbikes riding through. Although sadly more and more places are getting the speed limits reduced, which I know is for safety, but you've got to live. Killing hobbies like this. I've known cyclists that can do more than 20 miles an hour, and they don't even have to wear anything more than some lycra underpants and a colander on their head. Well, I'm going to be honest, I'm having a world of crap with my GoPro at the moment. It's beeping and farting all over the place. I don't know if it's running or not running. I've just turned it off a minute ago, and whereas it goes beep and then a few seconds later beeps 3 times to say it's turned off, it beeped and then it was about a minute before it actually turned off. So I'm guessing it's having trouble writing to the memory card. Maybe I need to get another memory card to try that. That is going to be the cheapest and most sensible option to try first. Right, well, I felt I needed to stop because there's a gateway down there and there's a gateway up there, and in the middle of them we've got a view, and I like that view. In fact, I like it so much, I'm going to take a photo of it, because that's what sad creators do. Oh God, what a title. Does anybody else's leathers get really tight in the new year? I do love the bike. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know. Phil, stop listening to yourself. As many people tell you you're a bell end. Just keep the bike, love the bike. Sell the bike, buy another bike. Oh God. But whatever happens, I'll have a bike, and it means I can come to spots like this and make the most of these gorgeous views that are in front of us. I'm not sure if that's a viaduct, a railway, viaduct, a road, I don't know. I'll have to maybe do a little bit of research. I'm going to cut it there. I have no idea what the GoPro's doing. Sadly, I think an upgrade might be necessary, even though I was hoping to make the GoPro 7 last a bit longer, but we'll try a memory card first and see how we get on. Anyway, that'll do for me from today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, have fun, and I'll catch you on the flip side.